natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed to me. So I recently saw that I hit 1,000 subscribers, so by the time this video is up, it's going to be more than 1,000 subscribers. So I thank you guys so much, each and every one of you, for subscribing to me. I love you guys. I know I haven't forgotten. I did promise that when I get to 1,000 subscribers I would do a giveaway video, and I will be doing that giveaway, but I'm currently in the middle of finals, so that's why I haven't been recording videos as often, and I had a camera crisis. My camera did all kinds of crazy, so I kind of saw the problem. I'm using a phone to record now, and it's working pretty okay based on my last video. So I will be doing the giveaway, but the giveaway will be like maybe next month or the month after that, so you guys should look out for that. But that's not what this video is about. My foundation routine. I've been requested to do it time and time again. You guys ask me all the time in person, on Facebook, so I thought I would make a video for you guys. Now this foundation routine is specifically perfect for women of color, because we tend to find it really hard to find a routine that kind of works for us, especially if you're living in hot climate like down here in Jamaica, where it's very hot like all the time. And this routine mattifies the foundation. It makes it stay on longer, and you don't sweat as much because your face is able to breathe. It's like a cake face routine, so let me just put that disclaimer out there. If you're not in need of a lot of coverage, then this will work perfectly for you. If you just want a nice beat face without being cakey, then this is a go-to routine that you should think about. So this is my routine, and it's perfect for summer, since of course it's going to be hot. Even if you're not living in Jamaica, it is going to be hot during the summer. So yeah, if you're wondering about my eyebrows, I already have an eyebrow routine up. I will leave the link for that in the description as well. So I try to make this face as natural looking as possible, even though I did include how I highlight and contour. And especially for women of color, we don't really get away with exaggerating things like highlighting and contouring. The highlighting to me is most important, and since we're darker in complexion, we need to enhance the highlighted areas of our face to bring some life and some light back to our skin. So I did a little step off camera. I needed some added glow, so you guys can definitely do this. If you have a powder that has shimmer in it, you can definitely try this step. But I used this MAC pressed powder. Of course it's fake, but I still kept it because for moments like this, it has a bit of shimmer in it. So I used this for some added highlight just on the top of my cheeks here, and my chin and the bridge of my nose, you know, the regular areas that you would highlight. So that really did add some nice glow to the skin. If you have your highlighter or your bronzer, you can go on ahead and just drop that on this, because it will do the very same job. It's perfect for beginners. If you're just starting to get into makeup, this is perfect for you. You don't use a lot of products. What else? Yeah, it's pretty simple, doesn't take long at all, but you will need a good moisturizer. And of course you guys know I love this stuff. It's the Loreal Sublime Glow for Face. Somebody asked me about this. I'm not really sure they make it anymore. Oh, it has SPF 15 sunscreen in it, so that is really good, and this is in medium. So it does deepen your skin tone. Somebody asked me about that previously in a video that I used it in. So I read the back, and it actually does say that it deepens your skin tone. So you might want to consider that before you actually use it. So yeah, and my hair, last thing, I'm in another Canicalan crochet braid install. This is all black, no highlights this time. I have my leave outs. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on this hairstyle, then leave it in the comment section below. And of course follow me on Facebook, and I also have an Instagram now. So yeah, it's just been a lot since I haven't made a video. So I have an Instagram now. Follow me on Instagram at Naturally Miss Taya, and also head on over to Facebook and like my Facebook fan page, and follow me on Twitter also at Naturally Miss Taya. All my links are Naturally Miss Taya, and the links, direct links, will be in the description bar below. So yeah, thanks guys so much again for subscribing to me. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
So she home alone, she no stop from call my phone. Girl, what the deal really is? Tell me how you really feel now. Is this just for the moment? Because you're lonely. Are you really want to chat with me? Cause where that cut your rasta will blame. So make me know how you really feel now. Is this love genuine? another run. The one will love you, I know she a rather the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know him you rather true love. It's unfair, and you're hard for you deep most. And when you try to break clear, listen the feelings get burned. Be what the deal really is. Really rate you, wonder why you be my enemy now. So tell me you will never leave, girl. Tell me you will never leave, baby. Love you one girl, fight for it. Or you just ramp out the night cause you like to play. Either way, me want my slice up the cake. So if you don't like the heat, don't like the flames. Cause the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know she a rather the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know him you rather true love. It's unfair, and you're hard for you deep most. And when you try to break clear, listen the feelings get better. True love, it never die, I saw me here. So tell me where the love gone, it disappear. Me have to sort out myself, so me hold a cheer. Hold a pen and a paper, try get things clear. The way I treated this girl, I know it wasn't fear. Cause everything when me want, she got right there. But the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know she a rather the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know him you rather true love. It's unfair, and you're hard for you deep most. And when you try to break clear, listen the feelings get burned. So she home alone, she no stop from call my phone. Girl, what the deal really is? Tell me how you really feel now. Is this just for the moment? Because you're lonely? Are you really want to chat with me? Cause where that cut jar stop with blame. So make me know how you really, really feel now. Is this love genuine, the real girl? Or is this just exercise? Left or right, girl, make a choice. Cause the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know she a rather the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know him you rather true love. It's unfair, and you're hard for you deep most. And when you try to break clear, listen the feelings get burned. Be what the deal really is. Really rate you, wonder why you be my enemy now. So tell me you will never leave, girl. Tell me you will never leave, baby. Love you one girl, fight for it. Or you just ramp out the night cause you like to play. Either way, me want my slice up the cake. So if you don't like the heat, don't like the flames. Cause the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know she a rather the one you love, always love another run. The one will love you, I know him you rather true love. It's unfair, and you're hard for you deep most. And when you try to break clear,